Changing your subscription on Fundbox is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Fundbox website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to subscription settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Review current subscription. In the subscription settings, check your current plan details, including features and pricing, to understand what changes you may want to make. Step 4. Select new subscription plan. Browse the available subscription options and select the plan that best fits your needs. Make sure to review the features and costs associated with each plan. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to provide payment information or agree to new terms before finalizing the update. Once you have completed these steps, your subscription will be updated accordingly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Fundbox customer support for assistance.